Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pente Spotlight, the podcast where big tech news gets broken down without the tech headache. I'm Emily, your calm voice of data safety and responsibility, here to make sure innovation makes sense and stays safe.
And I'm Lucas, your resident tech fan who loves asking, okay, but what does this actually mean for me? Let's jump in, because today's story sounds boring, but it really isn't.
Today, we're talking about memory chips, the tiny parts inside phones, laptops, and servers. Thanks to AI, demand for these chips is exploding, and supply is getting tight.
Here's a simple version. AI systems are hungry. They need tons of memory to think fast, learn, and respond instantly. Big AI data centers are buying memory chips in massive quantities, so many that there's less left for regular devices.
From a safety and business angle, this matters. When supply gets tight and demand shoots up, prices usually rise. That can affect everything from device costs to production timelines.
Yep. It could mean pricier phones, slower laptop rollouts, or companies scrambling to secure parts. Some chip makers are even focusing more on AI chips than everyday tech.
The bigger picture? AI isn't just changing software, it's reshaping the hardware world too. Supply chains, planning, and long-term strategy suddenly matter more than ever.
But there's a bright side. This push is also driving innovation, better chips, faster systems, and smarter technology overall. It's like growing pains for the future of AI.
So today's takeaway is simple. AI's growth has real-world effects, even on tiny components we never think about. Managing that growth responsibly is key.
Thanks for listening to Pente Spotlight. If this episode helped you understand tech a little better, hit like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you next time with more tech made simple and fun.